Today, I want to talk about something super exciting, our very own behavioral rewards menu. What's a behavioral rewards menu? It's like a secret weapon for parents and teachers. Think of it as a magical menu where we serve up rewards for positive behavior. Our menu has three main categories: small bites or immediate rewards. These are quick treats like stickers, high fives, or extra playtime that kids get right away when they do something awesome. Main course or weekly rewards. These are bigger rewards, maybe a special outing, a favorite book, or a movie night that kids earn over the week. Dessert or long term rewards, the ultimate treats. These are earned over a longer period, maybe a month. Think special toys, a day at the amusement park, or a fun family trip. Now, the best part, you can customize this menu. Add your child's favorite rewards, maybe a dance party, a picnic, or even a no chores day. Remember, the menu isn't just about stuff, it's about celebrating effort, kindness, and growth. So, parents, teachers, let's create our own behavioral rewards menu. Share your ideas in the comments below. Let's cheer each other on.